Hi guys, this is Mayank at the other side, and I want to show you some tips so that you can faster up your PC more than the speed you are getting now. So first of all, we have to go to the start menu and we have to search for the option which is called as run. Run window is a very powerful window which helps to gain access to the very critical options of the windows, just like they are hidden in the background but cannot be accessed directly. So we can access them from this option. So we will type from here temp. This contains all the temporary files of the system that like just like mp command run, and these are just running in the background and slowing up your PC. So we will delete them, shift delete them. Now let's come to the another option. Just type run in the startup, and you can also access this by start plus R shortcut key. We will type the second option. We will search in this window, that is %10%. This is also just like the temporary files, but they are just different from the window we had accessed sometimes back. We will skip the option files which are not deleting. Again we will go to the run window and we will type prefetch. This also demands to be deleted because these are also the cache files, the browsers, readable files, etc. So we will delete them. Now after all these options, we will come to the clean manager. Clean manager is a tool of Windows which helps to delete your all the data related to DirectX, temporary files, and another error catchy files. So this is the disk cleanup window for Windows C. We can also access this by directly writing disk cleanup in start menu, and then now we will tick all these options from this so that we can ensure that all the files which are not needed by us but still running in the background. So we have ensured that 94.6 MB files are running in the background and need to be deleted now. We will click on delete files and OK. So we will start deleting everything. So now I will show you my PC status for the performance. We can access it by taskbar of menu. It is showing that we have just 20 to 24% usage of my CPU and 55% of memory, just because I have started recorded in the background, but it still remains just like 10% or more, not more than that, because it is an average demand of the PC that 40% of the memory and 10% of CPU is used basically. Now we will explore some more options for that. Um, Fifth option is the Windows Update. Windows Update are basically needed to be run when we are having some extra internet or not having no metered connection, no non-metered connection. So we can just off the Windows Update when not needed, and this can also speed up our PC, so we can access our Windows Update option by going to services. Services are such services which are running in background and providing us the capability to perform our functions. So here we can see that the Windows Update is running. So we will go to its properties and then dependencies, or recovery, and we will tick this as take no actions and reset fail count after 0 days. And we will also change the logon options, just like we will take this account and browse our guest PC, and it is not prepared in my PC, but we can just choose the account of guest PC and proceed for this by applying and making it okay. We will again go to this option and click on properties. Here in journal option we will disable it and also stop this service and click on apply. Okay, so now it is showing that we have disabled our option of Windows Update for the time we did not need it. This will also decrease the use of PC. Another option we explored for increasing our speed is just typing CMD. We will open it in admin menu and click on command prompt. We will type cd.r in order to come to the C menu and just type 3 and press enter. So this ensures that PC is getting all the files reloaded again another tree for the admin. So the process is going on and it will continue till the files are not loaded completely. So this was in this video. Thank you.